Thank you so much for coming over, everybody. We are from Philadelphia for the last 10 years. We come from Mexico City and different other parts. We are called Ollin Yolitzli Calmecac, translated as the school of the blood moving in the heart. Why we have that name? Because we move energy. We have the blood, who we are as a person. Of course, you have it. Human being is a human being. Doesn't matter what kind of color, size, or anything else. Like the grandfathers of the Mexican people said, the corn doesn't come only one color. We come in many different colors, and all we are together to share who we are as a human beings. So what you will see now is the remains from Mexico City, what happened 517 years ago. We welcome you here to your own house, but basically we welcome you again at the same way happened 17 years ago. 517 years ago, it's actually, sorry for my mistake, but we are here to share who we are, because the same thing you see inside of me, you have it too.
donde nace nuestro Padre Tonatiuh, donde nace la primera luz del día. ¡Oh, Meteo! El lugar de las mujeres, el lugar de las guerreras, las cuales dan a cambio su vida para dar una nueva vida. ¡Hombre Dios!
Cihuatlalpa, the place of the woman, the place where the woman have a great place because they give the life for a new being to come alive, where the warriors live, where the females hold the power.
El lugar de la fuerza de Huitzilopochtli, el lado izquierdo, la fuerza de la voluntad.
Huitzilopochtli, the left coming bird, the place of the wilderness, the place of love and war, where you motivate yourself with what is inside of you.
El lugar del silencio, el lugar de la reflexión, el lugar de la paz. ¡Oh, Meteo!
Mitlantecutli, the place of reflection, the place of peace, the place where everybody rests after you deal with this life. Mitlantecutli!